you got that yummy, yum.
We were talking about this quarantine, right?
They just be talking, we do the work, I'm in the hills like what? Like where's the service?
We're just gonna go with mukbang and keep this rolling. Get off here, and today I'm doing a mukbang.
Yummy, yum, yeah.
It does something to me. It does something to me. I like this. This is good. Oh. Wait.
Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy.
I cannot multitask. I might just be eating this whole video. Eat like crazy.
Yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe.
We were talking about this quarantine, right? How has the quarantine affected you? What are your plans after this quarantine? I want to know. Put them things down in the comments. Put them down. Put them all in there.
That's what she said.
That's my joke, damn it.
Y'all could probably hear me chewing. I'm sorry, but no, I cannot multitask. I'm not really like a talker. I'm more so just eat.
Yum, 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 yum.
Like, I don't like to. That was a moment. Does bread do that to you too? Let me actually talk for a little bit. Chill out with stuffing my face. Let's get into some quarantine goes and quarantines no's. Mukbang style. All right, quarantine no. Do not research the coronavirus.
Fatalities expected to increase dramatically from the coronavirus.
71,000 new coronavirus cases.
1,000 new coronavirus cases.
Coronavirus is raging and on the move.
Do not research symptoms. Do not research any of it. You will go down a dark hole that you don't want to go down. I went down that hole. I know. Sis, I've been there. Researching and looking into it. I thought I had COVID-19. Bread is like quarantine don't for me. Do not hear. Do not run up on me.
Oh my God, I said I was gonna see you and then I see you and now I'm looking at you. Oh my God, I can't believe it.
Right. Oh my God, that's crazy. Please, if you see me out, keep it the fuck moving. I see you, you see me, we see each other.
We see each other. We see each other. We good.
We don't have to read each other. Keep it further than 6 feet. I mean 10 feet. Or further than that. I just don't like people in my face. Chill out. But chill out for real because social distancing. 6 feet. Or more. Please. You're gonna make me lose my appetite. Stay over there. Quarantine. Go. Have plans to do stuff. Do not just sit around. Get up, get dressed. Try to find something productive to do. Exercise, go on a walk, find a hobby, invest in yourself. Boom. Quarantine, no. Don't be a fucking Karen.
Karens all across America patrol the streets of their suburbs, demanding anyone who isn't white answer a few questions.
I'm asking you if this is your property.
You've never seen Karens like these. They know everyone who lives on this street except you.
You live here?
Or Ken. No. Or Kevin.
Kevin's gone wild. Agitated patriots ready to tell you exactly what they think. Just make sure to keep the cameras running. They love it.
Yeah, video told me all day.
Okay. Don't be that. Don't be a Karen or a Kevin out here. Because these Karens out here have been, they've been acting up. It's been a lot. actually an Instagram. It's like Karen's Gone Wild. I was shocked. But was I really shocked? I don't know. It took me for a loop. No disrespect to you Karens. Here's my thing. Like, a Karen will come through and be real spiteful and real petty about the littlest shit. Then, like 5 minutes later, kid you not, the same spiteful Karen that was doing all that rah 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 starts playing victim. She starts crying. Like, sis got tears. Sometimes she don't. And I'm like, wait a minute, weren't you just, I don't know. I'm not judging. I'm just saying this is what I see. So, quarantine, no. Don't be a Karen or a Kevin. Oh, and don't be a coon.
For that paper, look how low we are stoop. Even if you in a band, you still in a
Don't be a coon. Gotta call that out too. My friend hit me up. You know I'm eating wings. I'm busy. Quarantine, no. Don't troll just because you're bored. People are trolling that have never trolled before because they're bored. That's not a reason. Do not start trolling just because of quarantine. Don't do that. We don't need more trollers in this world. So another quarantine go would be to get out here and volunteer and donate, if nothing else, your time to a good cause. There's a lot of people going through it right now. So if you have the time and you're capable, you should volunteer. Ooh, quarantine, no. Stop turning up on employees who are forced to mandate the wearing mask policy.
fucking expect a fucking class action lawsuit. Take your fake fucking global terroristic false flag attack, shove it up your motherfucking ass. You're terrorists!
If the business tells them that they have to tell you to wear a mask, that's not their fault. These poor employees, stop getting in their face, or just don't go to the establishment. It's simple. You don't want to wear the mask, you don't have to.
I don't wear a mask for the same reason I don't wear underwear. Things gotta breathe.
Just don't go there. But stop being mean to the people that are just trying to do their job. It's ridiculous. Quarantine, no. Stop sharing food. You don't have to share your food anymore. I know I'm greedy. I like to eat everything. Everything on my plate is mine. I didn't share food prior to quarantine. And I'm damn sure not sharing it now. Oh, you want. I mean, I would share. I don't know, what did the CDC say about sharing food? You sure you want one? Because you know, COVID-19, coronavirus. Levels of wing eating. I'm a level 2 when it comes to wings. Like, I don't eat everything. Level 4, they eat the bone.
Oh my god, he on X Games mode.
There's those little bones in here. A level 4 would eat the bone.
Hey, fuck it.
I'm gonna look at my wing and be like, you know what? Joy, there's still meat in there. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Me talking to a camera like this is weird. Me eating while talking to a camera?
Look at us. Look at us. Huh? Who would have thought? Not me.
So one of my favorite songs right now is a City Girl song.
What is pussy top? English, Spanish, and French. What is pussy top? Euros, dollars, and yens. What is pussy top? Bentleys, Rovers, and Benz.
We don't even Harlem shake anymore. Like, we need to bring that back.
Try to make them do the Harlem shake.
Fuck that shit up. Quarantine, go. Just keep your family in your prayers. Stay in touch. One thing this virus has shown is that life is short. This peace, this quiet, this family time, or whatever you choose to do with this free time, enjoy it. Embrace the situation the best that you can, because this is bad, but it could be a lot worse. And there's always a blessing in everything. Go. hopefully you enjoyed my quarantine goes and no's and watching me devour some Dominoes.